Tomorrow we're getting new window treatment on 4 of the windows in the house. These vertical blinds, these were installed when I had this property as a house as a rental property 21 years ago. Those vertical blinds will not rotate, and you can see there's some missing, but so these are going. These mini blinds were installed when the house was built in 1966, so they are 50 some years old. They're getting replaced. And these blinds in the window in the master bedroom are getting replaced. Again, these were installed in 1966, so they're some 50 some years old. Here's our new window treatment in the living room, and these are called uppers and lowers. You can raise the bottom or lower the top. Here's my office with the new window treatment. Here's my wife's office, the new window treatment. And here's the master bedroom, and we put a darkening backing on this one, so when you lower that shade it'll be very dark in here in the master bedroom. Altogether this was $3,285. It's nice to have better window treatment. This light is fluttering a lot, so it's something I'm going to troubleshoot and see if I can fix here. It's either the connection that the light is loose, or the bulbs are loose, or there's a problem with the switch. So I replaced that dimmer switch in the wall of my office with a they call a single pole on-off switch, and the lights don't flicker anymore, so that was the problem. And if you look down here, let's see where that guy is. That's the light switch there, and you can see the wiring it has right there. That's an aluminum. That's a piece of aluminum, and aluminum vibrates when current goes through it, and that tends to loosen the connection. That's why aluminum wiring was banned about in the early 70s for house wiring, because you'd have aluminum wiring in a house, the wiring would vibrate, get a loose connection, get a spark, house burns down. So I don't know why they have it on these dimmer switches, but anyway, if I wanted to have a dimmer switch and eliminate the flickering of the lights, what I do is you wrap this part around the copper wire in the wall. Then I would take this wire and then wrap it around everything and really clamp it down so that this never gets a loose connection. And I think you could probably still have a dimmer switch for a given room that doesn't cause the lights to flicker.